Technology makes what was once impossible possible. The design makes it real. Hello everyone, I'm Soumya John. I'm doing my first year B.Ed in Commerce from Dr. SNS College of Education, Tudiyallur, Coimbatore. I am here to explain you about the business model canvas. Business model canvas is actually a framework for visualizing business model. We are doing it as a part of our design thinking. Dr. SNS College of Education is first in India to implement design thinking. Today, I'm going to discuss with you about the business model canvas of FirstCry. I have opted crunchbase.com as a website for getting more information about FirstCry. BrainPay Solutions Private Limited is its parent organization. Its unique selling proposition is variety of baby products at reasonable rates, and it targets baby and kids industry. It has 4,000 plus stores and 2,000 plus employees and has tie-up with 7,800 plus hospitals across India. Its revenue during 2020 is rupees 897 crores. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is its brand ambassador, and the tagline of FirstCry.com is Big Store for Little Ones. These are some of the basic ideas about FirstCry. Now we are moving into the business model of FirstCry. It consists of key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, key resources, customers, channels, cost and revenue, etc. We will see it in detail. In key partners, it includes shipping companies, vendors, payment gateway companies, financiers, media partners, and public figures. Under key activities, it includes development and maintenance of platform, marketing and promotion, customer services, and tie-ups. They focus more on customer relationship. They provide buyer relationship with special offer, 24/7 customer service, safe payment gateway, contest for existing customers, etc. They are adopting a different category of parenting support, where parents have access to their blogs related to baby and parenting, vaccines and baby teething, baby diet plan, social groups for new parents, etc. Value proposition include widest choices in top-rated international brands, secure transaction, best price, and timely delivery. Their targeted customers are expecting mothers and children. Key resources include partnership, human resource, physical assets, and stores, supplies and warehouses. Channels includes online website, mobile-based application, physical store, and social media. Cost structure: employee cost, marketing cost, operational and expansion cost, developmental cost, etc. Its revenue stream includes sellers commission, sales from physical stores, FirstCry Premium, ads, blogs, featured listing, etc. This is the business model canvas of FirstCry. As a design thinker, this helps me to understand and visualize the business model of FirstCry in detail. Thank you.